delicious! Hi Pupcakes, today we are back and we are making Night Sky Fluffy Slime.
And we're so excited because we've never made fluffy slime before, so we're super excited to see how it turns out. And this is what you're gonna need. A teaspoon of baking soda, 2 to 3 cups of shaving cream, a 1/4 cup of water, 1½ tablespoons of multi-purpose solution, which is also contact lens solution, sprinkles for us, just because we want to make it a little prettier, your food coloring choice for whatever color you want, 2/3 cup Elmer's glue, and a big plastic bowl to mix it all in.
So let's get to it.
Pupcakes, this is what we came up with. We ended up having to add some extra borax solution because our slime was super sticky, and we did add extra sprinkles because the first time we added them they kind of got eaten by the slime, but this is what we came up with.
This beautiful slime.
It's so fluffy.
Make sure to comment down below what your favorite slime color is. Bye, guys! Don't forget to frost that like button down below and subscribe if you're new to our channel.